Now let's look at some of the common entrance requirements for CCRCs. Requirements will vary from one community to the next, but most will require some or all of the following. First, most will have an entrance fee, which may range anywhere from under $50,000 all the way to upwards of $1 million in some cases, depending on the type of contract and the services and amenities offered. There are also age requirements. All CCRCs are age restricted. The more favorable marketing term is age qualified. At any rate, this means that a CCRC is able to restrict residents to a certain age group. This is possible because of amendments to the Fair Housing Act in the mid-90s that allows an exception for age discrimination in senior housing. This can get a little bit tricky, but generally speaking, at least one resident of an age-restricted housing unit has to be 55 years of age or older. For a continuing care contract, the prospective resident will have to prove that they're able to live independently. This is typically done by having the resident fill out a health questionnaire and perhaps by ordering medical records and consulting with their personal physician. In many respects, a CCRC acts like an insurance company in the sense that they try to limit increased health risk because of the higher expenses involved in providing that care. Often a community will require various types of insurance, most commonly Medicare and Medicare supplement plans, or a similar private health insurance plan approved by the community. In limited cases, long-term care insurance may be required. More typically, this will be the case in a fee-for-service community where the resident is ultimately responsible for the full cost of care. And finally, there are financial requirements. A community will often require that an individual have assets and savings equal to some multiple of the entrance fee for the unit that they're reserving, usually somewhere around 2 to 4 times, although this can vary from one community to another. The CCRC may also require monthly income levels equal to a similar multiple for the monthly service fee.